Sophia. Sophia. Are you watching Pirates? Yeah?
You go to Neverland with us and help us get Izzy's puzzle box back?
Cool.
Great! Remember to keep a lookout for gold doubloons.
You like Jake?
When we solve a pirate problem together, they'll
That's
appear.
cool.
Then we'll collect them and put them in our team treasure chest. Is everybody ready? I got my sword. I got my map. And I got my pixie dust.
You-
guys gave it to me so that we can use it.
Yeah. That's cool.
Let's go!
Yeah? You wanna change it?
There we go.
Okay, sit down and watch Pirates, okay? Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.